Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to access and use the Service Diagnostics mode on your LG washer. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The Service Diagnostic mode or Load Test mode is a service mode on some models of washer that is used to test and manually activate certain functions of the washer for troubleshooting and identifying problems with the washer. To enter Load Test mode or Service Test mode, the washer must be empty with the door closed, with it plugged in but powered off. Then, depress the spin speed and soil level options. Next, with both options depressed, press and hold down the power button. Upon successful entry into Load Test mode, the washer's buzzer will sound twice and all the lights will turn on, and then the door will lock. When the washer is in standby mode, you can start the test by hitting the Start Pause button. To cycle through the different tests, you can press the Start Pause button to advance one test. Here's a list of the 14 different tests for our model of washer. Please reference the service information for your specific washer, as these tests can vary by model number. The test chart has 3 columns. The first column shows the number of times that you have to hit the Start Pause button to enter that test. The second column, or checkpoint column, shows what the washer will do when that test mode is activated, such as tumble clockwise. In the third column, or display status, is the test result that will display on the washer's console, such as the rotations per minute. For example, we've pressed the Start Pause button once, so the checkpoint shows that the washer's drum will tumble clockwise and display an RPM range between 45 and 50. As another example, we've pressed the Start Pause button 9 more times for a total of 10. Which on our model of washer means that the heater will turn on for 3 seconds and the water temperature will be displayed on the console. To exit the Load Test mode, you will advance the washer to test 15. The washer will then exit the test mode and enter standby mode. If you need to purchase a new part for your LG washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.